What's up, guys? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the channel. So, like always, guys, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, show your support by hitting that thumbs up and, showing some love and subscribe to the video. If y'all hit that thumbs up, guys, I greatly appreciate it. That way, it helps out in the YouTube algorithm. Gets my video recommended a little more. That way, somebody looking at doing this modification or something like it, it'll get recommended and they'll be able to check it out. So, very, very much appreciate it if y'all put that thumbs up and share the video. But that being said, guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be installing some LED floor lights, the RGB style. Um, but before I do that, as you can see, I have all these other tools because I'm going to directly hardwire it into the vehicle. That way, when the car turns on, they automatically come on. Now, you do have the option to plug it into the cigarette lighter. If you want to do that, you can also do that. But I want to do a clean install and pretty much make it look pretty dope. So if y'all want to skip to the end of the video or wherever, I'll put a timestamp. That way you can see these lights in action and, see what they turn out. But for anybody else who wants to kind of do the installation like I do it, then stay tuned. But like always, guys, been talking too much. So let's get this video started. All right, guys. So for the G35, guys, you'll have your floorboard right here, and back here is where your fuse box is. So I'm gonna go ahead and run that wire from there behind the floorboard all the way down the middle console to the back, and I'm gonna get it all the way to back here. And then with this, I'm gonna hide the box in here. That way you can still utilize this, and it'll be a nice clean install, and you'll have no wires showing, and it'll work properly. So yeah, like I had mentioned, you can still plug it into your middle console, but then the issue that I was having with that is you either have to customize a hole or pretty much do like what I'm doing right there and have the wires overlap, and then they end up getting pinched when you push it down. You could probably put a notch in there or something, but you have to customize this right here to make it work. With me, I'm gonna hide everything and it's gonna all be hidden. Hopefully it works. But yeah. So what you wanna do, guys, is with your wire, you're gonna wanna get a link from the fuse box all the way to the back. That way, you can have your extension, I guess you can say. All right, guys. So to give you a perspective on how it's gonna look, you got your fuse. It's gonna tap in right there with the ground with the screw, and then that's the other extension wire, which will splice into the female end, and then you're gonna run your extensions all the way to the back. And then as you can see, you have the female end right there, which is gonna tap into the male end on the red, and then on the other wire we'll tap into the black right there, just like that. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. I did cut each cut like at 7.5 feet. Guys, so got everything connected. I'm gonna check it before I close this all up. But as you can see, have it grounded right there, and then I have it connected, and everything is hidden. Can't see anything except that wire right there, which I'll fix that. But for the most part, comes out through the back like that, nothing exposed, and it's a very clean install. But before I put it all together, I want to make sure you test out the lights. So I'm gonna plug in turn in the key, and there we go. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put this all together. This is the whole setup. So circuit 15, or the 15 out right there with the cigarette lighter, is where I plugged it in, as you can see. So yeah, put this all together and we'll review the product. All right guys, so got everything where I needed it, checked it out, make sure it worked. So now it's time to review this product and install it. Now the reason why I went up with one up lighting is because against the competitors, the price was reasonable, and you can do everything and control everything from the app. So all you got to do is just scan this barcode, and it will send you to or the QR code to the app store, and then you'll just pretty much download the app and then set it up like that. So I already downloaded the app because I just scanned it like that. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these out, because the ones that I had before, they didn't really last that long, and then the battery kept dying on the controller. So to be able to control everything from an app, if you use my promo code, you're gonna spend like maybe $43. So which isn't bad, because you can do multiple things with multiple colors, and yeah, it's all controlled from the app. So that's pretty dope. And then for that price, it's a pretty good deal. But like I said, I'm not going to be using this cigarette lighter. If you do happen to use it, then you just plug it in your cigarette port. But I hardwired everything, checked it out. So with this box, I'm going to hide it in there, and then from there I'm going to run all the wires. So all right guys, so I fed the wires through this little crack right there, and then as you can see, I have each light in a designated area that I'm going to put it. You got the ones up there in the front, make sure they work. So what I'm going to do is start from the actual light, and then tape it with the double-sided tape, and then whatever I don't use, the slack, I'll hide it in there. So we're going to do that right now. All right guys, so got everything installed. Nighttime. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all pretty much everything I did as far as the installation, and then we're going to turn these on and see how it looks. So I ran everything behind the floorboard. Everything's in the middle console. Everything is hidden, as you can tell. Nothing is exposed. All the wire is all hidden. And then you come to the back. All the wires are hidden. Nothing exposed. And then this looks like a regular, I guess you could say ashtray, and then you look back there. That's where everything is at. Pretty cool. So yeah, pretty cool install. Let me know what y'all think as far as the install. But yeah, I'm gonna turn these on and we're gonna see what they look like. All right guys, got the keys. Put in the ignition. And you turn it on. And there we go. All the lights are on. You can see. Pretty cool. And then all you gotta do after you download the app, I'll probably do another video on using the app, but pretty much I'm gonna show y'all. Downloaded the app. You gotta turn on your Bluetooth, it'll let you know. So Bluetooth is on. And then it's gonna pop a little icon right here. And let me start it over right there. And then it says scanning. It's looking for the signal. Once it gets the signal, you're good to go. And there you go. You can change the colors. You have different settings. There, the red, the blue. You have the flash. So pretty cool. There's a lot of more features you can mess with. Alright guys, so yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. But yeah, my final thoughts on this product. I would recommend it. The only downfall maybe is just the heat, like I said, the weather, but the tape didn't really stick that well. Other than that, guys, the price is good. You know, you can use everything with your app and control it rather than having to get batteries for the controller and all that. That makes it a lot more easier to use, and you get all the features. And for the price, guys, compared to the competition, you know, you're getting a good deal. And like I mentioned, if you use my promo code, you'll get some money knocked off your purchase, you know, a 10% discount. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think. Hit that thumbs up, share this video, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. It's your boy Giovanni. Stay safe out there. Peace.